You're welcome to Queen's Fashion World today with me. I want to especially thank you so very much for your support. Thank you. God bless you. And if today is the first time of stopping by on this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. We have a lot to give. We have a lot of things. So hit the subscription button and also the bell by the side so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get an update. So today I'll be teaching how to cut a basic sleeve pattern for children, for baby girl. So how to cut sleeve, a basic sleeve pattern. This is a fabric here with me. I fold it into two like this. I can fold it into four like so. Let me fold it into four, you see. So let me just rule a line, a straight line that will guide me. So this is my straight line now. I have a measurement here. I have a sleeve length 5 inches. I have a round sleeve, that is the bicep area, 10 inches. Then what I call tights, the round tights, where the sleeve will stop, is 8 inches. So the cap height here, the bust circumference is 27. Divided by 12, I have 2.25. So 2.25, you add a half inch to it. So plus and minus, I will be using 3 inches to cut this cap height. So you quickly go down and mark your 3 inches. If it's a smaller children, baby, newborn baby, you can use 2.5 for cap height. When you divide the measurement, even without dividing it, children's sleeve are always like that. So I will go ahead and rule a straight line like so. So this is my cap height now. Sorry, my marker. So after the cap height, the next place I will take again is the length sleeve. The length sleeve is 5 inches. The length sleeve is 5 inches. So I will go ahead and mark my 5 inches, and I will come down and mark 2 inches. So all together is 7 inches. I'm marking here 5, 2, that is 7 inches. I'll use my straight ruler and connect this to this, and connect this to this. So this is the cap height length, this is the length sleeve, this is the hemming allowance. Now I can cut this off. This is not needed anymore. I can cut it off like this. So this is what I have now. So for me to mark my sleeve, the armhole area, for me to mark my sleeve hole, I will mark 1 inch from this upper part, half inch. For children, half inch. I will mark half inch. For adult, you can mark 1 inch. So I'll first go ahead and check my bicep. The bicep is 10 inches like this. I will add 1.5 inch like so. So this is my biceps. Then I will connect my hand from this bicep area. I will connect it to the half inch at the upper part like this. So I will now find the midpoint from this half inch to this biceps. I will find the midpoint, which is this is 7. So I will find the midpoint, 3.5 inch. 3.5 inch. From this midpoint, I will just mark half inch. I will come up by half inch like this. Then from this down part, I will go low by half inch like this. So I'm to connect my hand from this half inch to this half inch at the midpoint area. Then after the midpoint area, I will bring my hand low. I will curve my hand low like this to meet at this ½ inch. So this is the shape of my sleeve now. So the round tight is 8 inches. I will now go ahead and mark my 8 divided by 2, 4 inches. So I will add 1.5 sewing allowance. I will add 1.5 sewing allowance, and I will connect my line like this from the round sleeve, from the bicep to the round tight. I'll connect my hand like so. Now the next place to mark again, you know, the front sleeve and the back sleeve are not always equal. The same way we remove something from the top when we are cutting it, the gown, the same way we also remove something. Yeah, I'm using this white to draft this sleeve so that you can see properly. So I will go ahead. I will not allow my what I want to remove now to get to this ending part. It will stop at this ½ inch. So I will just mark ½ inch. The ½ inch is coming to that line that I mark. You see, I will just mark the ½ inch like so. So I will make sure I connect my hand like this, and I will come out before the sewing allowance and connect it to the original point. So this now will serve as the front sleeve. This will serve as the back sleeve. The next place again I want to show you is the down part. This is the hemming allowance. In case you want to hem it bold, if you want to hem it small, you can reduce it. It must not be 2 inches, but this is 2 inches I'm using here. So when you want to fold it like this, bring out half from these 2 inches. Now you see what I'm doing? Yes, bring out half from it, let it come up. This half now is to join this upper part. Then you'll be left with 1.5. You fold it inside like this so that you can now cut your sleeve like so. You cut it like this. So when you want to cut, remember to cut the first line, that is the back line. This is the first line I'm cutting now. Remember to cut this first line like so, and notch the center like this. So this is your sleeve now. Fold it, the allowance to the back like this so that you have this shape. Now if you cut it straight, this is what you have short edge. So but if you fold it and cut, this is what you have, because when to fold it, when to hem it, this is the way you will hem it. So this is our sleeve now. I can now open it like this and cut the front shape now. So the front shape, you know, the sleeve is open, it's 2 sleeve. This is the good side, this is the good side, kissing the good side again. So you can go ahead after the sewing allowance, you go ahead and trim it together like this. So this will be your front sleeve now, while this will be your back sleeve for children. So I will go ahead and transfer this sleeve to this fabric. I'll just cut it and fix it. So thank you very much for watching. This is our sleeve now. You see how beautiful it is. Thank you so very much. Please like and share this video. God bless you.